Hi, welcome back to Geesys Technologies India Private Limited. Geesys Technology has come with a new product called 25 kVA auxiliary power system. This 25 kVA auxiliary power system is used for utility scale solar power plants. Mainly we designed this product to be used with a central inverter based utility scale solar power plants. The power plant which is rated above 1 megawatt and up to 50 megawatt size of plant can be used with this kind of auxiliary power system. This 25 kVA auxiliary power system consists of 4 major components. The first component is 25 kVA auxiliary transformer, which is dry type, and the second major component is the power distribution board, that is a PDB or LDB we can say, which collects the power from the auxiliary transformer and distribute to the different loads of the solar power plant. And it consists of 6 kVA single phase online UPS with 600 VAH battery backup. So the output of the UPS is again given to a UPS DB, that is UPS distribution board. From there, the critical loads such as SCADA, production and safety components of the power plant will be handled through the online UPS with the battery backup. So these are the major 4 components are built inside the one cabinet. So that's why the product is being called as a 25 kVA auxiliary power system. Normally, the solar power plant generates a power and sends to the factories to use it, or it sends to the grid to sell or something. So the solar generates the voltage which is not being used by its own solar plant. So whatever the solar plant generates, so that will be like a 660 or 690 or 800 volt system. So that cannot be directly used to the solar plant equipments. So for that we have to step down the voltage from 660 to 450. That is being done with a auxiliary transformer. That auxiliary transformer again is protected with a 63 amps STF, that is switch disconnect fuse unit, and the auxiliary transformer as manufactured by Geesys with a thermal cutoff device. So when there is a temperature rise, automatically the fans will be switched on, and the step down voltage from the auxiliary transformer will be given to a power distribution board. The power distribution board has consists of major safety and protection equipment, such as it has the ROIB monitoring with the voltage display, and also it has the function of checking the on-off trip indication of the breaker output of the auxiliary transformer. I am saying the entire power which is going out from the auxiliary transformer are being monitored and protected with overload, short circuit, over voltage, surge protection, and also with earth leakage protection. And the output of the power distribution board is again given to many loads in the power plant, such as the water pumping system, the MCR room control panels, and the online UPS, and the local street lights, and the control room fans, lights. All these equipments are being powered by the power distribution board. This online UPS has got the full day power backup. Even your power plant doesn't work, your safety and protection devices will continue to work throughout the day and safeguard your solar power plant. And this complete auxiliary power system is made with a CRCA metal based enclosure. This enclosure is IP protected with IP21 and IP22. This complete enclosure, as I said, all these 4 components are split across the room, and the transformer separate cabinet, UPS and batteries are into separate cabinets, and power DB is separate, UPS DB separate. So all are handled separately and wired up differently, and we have to monitor individual components separately, whereas everything are put inside the one cubicle, and the entire flow in the cubicle are completely monitored on the cloud itself. The complete cabinet are having the very sensitive temperature monitoring, and it has got 3 fans in the cabinet. So whenever the temperature rises, the fan will switch on and it will have a fruitful control over the temperature rise in the plant. And since it is made in a single cubicle, it can be placed in your inverter room or near to the inverter and have a complete control over your plant. The power packed auxiliary power system is designed for all kind of solar power plants, and based on your plant capacity and requirement, we can able to further fine tune your requirement and give you the beautiful auxiliary power system for you. So if you have any inquiry related to your solar equipment, such as your LDP, UPS, DB, auxiliary transformer or online UPS, reach Geesys. We could able to give you everything in a very powerful, compact way of power distribution system, so which will be more safer, more quality and less price. Trust Geesys, you will get powerful product from us. Thank you so much.